it's Megan with WTI, and I am constantly on the hunt for new healthy snacks. And some of my discoveries are hits and some are misses. But this is a definite hit for me recently. It's the Hilo Almond Flour Tortilla Chips. I initially had reservations thinking that these chips would not be crispy, but boy, was I ever wrong. These chips have that definite crunch, snap, and crispiness that I'm looking for in a tortilla chip. I find the amount of chips in the bag to be the perfect size for me too, since I don't want a big pile of chips for a snack. I often just want a little something to have with my break throughout the day. When I saw that it said Spicy Salsa, I was wondering how spicy it would be, since I'm someone who likes something to be actually spicy. I definitely get that hit of spiciness that I really enjoy. I don't personally follow a low-carb diet, but I am trying to incorporate more protein into my day. And these chips definitely deliver with 9 grams of protein per serving. These Hilo almond flour tortilla chips have been a great find in my constant snack search, and they will definitely be making their appearance more often in my day. And that's my point of view.